If you're learning SFCC and thinking, okay, but why do big companies pay for this? This video will make it crystal clear. I'm Riya, and this is Chapter 3 in my SFCC series on Commerce with Riya. So let's start with the reality of enterprise e-commerce. When a brand runs a flash sale, Black Friday, or a new product launch, traffic can go from normal to insane in minutes. And for enterprises, downtime is not a small bug. Downtime, crawl, lost revenue, angry customers, and a brand reputation hit. That's the first reason enterprises choose SFCC. 1. It's built for scale and reliability. SFCC is designed to handle big traffic spikes without the company building server infrastructure from scratch. So brands can focus on selling, not worrying about hosting or scaling every time traffic jumps. 2. Faster launch plus safer changes. Enterprise teams don't want a system where every change breaks the store. SFCC gives a structured platform where you customize storefront, promotions, content, and integrations in a controlled way. That means faster releases and fewer production disasters. 3. Business teams can run the store daily. This is huge. Marketing and merchandising teams can manage catalog, prices, promotions, and content from Business Manager without calling developers for every small update. So developers are freed up for real engineering work. 4. Strong integrations. The real enterprise game. Enterprises don't run only a website. They run ERP, OMS, CRM, payment gateways, shipping, tax systems, all connected. SFCC is chosen because it fits into that ecosystem and supports enterprise-level integration patterns. 5. Connected to the Salesforce ecosystem. After Salesforce acquired Demandware, SFCC became part of a bigger customer journey story. Commerce plus marketing plus service plus CRM. So companies can personalize experiences across channels. Now, as an SFCC developer, what does this mean for you? It means enterprise companies hire you to build and maintain storefront experiences using SFRA, checkout and payment flows, APIs and integrations, and scalable production-ready commerce features. In the next video, we'll cover SFCC tech stack, languages and tools so you know exactly what to learn first. And if you want the full detailed notes plus examples for this topic, click the link in the comments and request access to become a member. Also, subscribe to Commerce with Riya for the full SFCC series. Goodbye.